If you're looking for the fastest, most efficient way to deep clean your driveway, patio, or sidewalk, stay tuned. Today, we'll break down the top 5 pressure washer surface cleaners you can get on Amazon right now. First up is the Twinkle 15-inch pressure washer surface cleaner. This model is a fan favorite for a reason. With over 8,000 ratings and an average of 4.5 stars, it balances performance, durability, and price exceptionally well. Designed for pressure washers up to 3,100 pounds per square inch, it covers a generous 15-inch cleaning path, making it perfect for large surfaces. The unit includes 2 extension wands, which is a major bonus for taller users or those hard-to-reach spots. Homeowners rave about how quickly it cleans concrete driveways and decks without streaks or splashback. For under $60, it's hard to beat in terms of value for everyday residential use. Next on the list is the Westinghouse Universal 16.5-inch surface cleaner, which steps up the game with commercial-grade performance. It supports pressure washers up to 4,400 pounds per square inch, making it suitable not only for homeowners but also for contractors and heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Its wider 16.5-inch diameter allows you to clean more area in less time, while its solid stainless steel build ensures it can withstand frequent use. It's also universally compatible with most pressure washers, both electric and gas-powered. At just under $90, it's not the cheapest, but you're paying for premium build quality and long-term durability. Third, we have the Biswing 14-inch pressure washer surface cleaner with 4 wheels. This one is all about maneuverability and smooth operation. The 4 wheels make it glide easily across uneven concrete and large patios. It's built from stainless steel and rated for up to 4,000 PSI, which means it's more than capable of tackling stubborn grime and oil stains. It also comes with 2 extension wands and features a dual rotating nozzle system that improves cleaning efficiency without leaving swirl marks. Priced at around $65, it strikes a nice balance between durability and ease of use, especially for users who want a wheeled option. Coming in fourth is the trusted Kärcher 15-inch pressure washer surface cleaner. This one is built with Kärcher's reliability and ease of use in mind. It's compatible with pressure washers in the 2,600 to 3,200 PSI range and is ideal for light to medium-duty residential cleaning tasks. One standout feature is its splash-free skirt, which significantly reduces overspray and mess, a big win if you're working near flower beds, walls, or windows. Though its construction is mostly plastic, users say it holds up well for regular household use. At about $52, it's a budget-conscious pick with professional-level results. Last but not least is the Greenworks 11-inch surface cleaner. This is the most affordable option on the list, coming in at just under $20. While it's smaller and designed for less intense jobs, it gets the basics right. It works best with electric pressure washers and is ideal for cleaning compact patios, walkways, or even vertical surfaces like garage doors. Its lightweight design makes it easy to control, and while it doesn't have the power of the higher-end models, it's a great starter option for someone just entering the world of pressure washing. Plus, it's compatible with most pressure washers, adding a lot of flexibility.